Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Yes, I'm still a beautiful mess. Thanks for asking. Yes, this is a voiceover because the audio was crappy and I had to do this. Anyway, this is a no concealer, no foundation makeup routine, my go to routine, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. I just applied primer fast, and I was showing you my big spots. Yeah. Concealer Elegel, I'm applying it under my eyes to cover up my huge bags. And then I'm going to take it across the other eye. Yeah, I was saying something that was really not relevant. Mhm. I applied the concealer all over my spots. I've blended that the one all over my spot because I don't want it to stay there for so long. Whilst I want to have the one under my eye stay there for quite some time to get the maximum effect. Now I'm blending the rest. After please. Okay. I'm doing that. I'm blending everything. Hurry up, girl. Hurry up. What are you doing? We don't have time to waste. Hurry up, girl. Okay. There you go. Blendy. So how was your day now? Cause this is going to take a while. How was your day? Okay, now we're almost done. Okay. Hurry up, girl. I don't have all day. I'm applying translucent powder. This is the RCMA no color powder. My go-to, and everyone knows that. I don't bake. I barely do. I only bake my smile lines. Yep. Yeah, chap it. I kissed it and then I rubbed it on my lips. I'm showing you my favorite powder, Zikel. Putting it all over my face to kind of bring back the, not pale looking person that is me. Mm-hmm. Go roundy. Now I'm contouring actually. To get me, looking all sort of bronzy. To get the shadows back. To get your girl popping. Girl, you want to do this. Don't skip this, honey. I'm doing that. I'm getting those cheekbones, girl. Get them. Now I'm putting that because I'm putting eyeshadow obviously, so I'm just getting a little bit of shadow over it. You want no, this is too much. I'm going over it with my powder brush. Yeah, you want to do that if you have a huge nose like mine. You need to contour that bad boy. Then I'm done looking all okay. I was feeling myself there. Okay, sis. See what you're doing? Mm-hmm. I'm applying blush, my favorite. You know it. You know it. The Balm, Matte Rosen, and Matte Wood. Continue blushing it up. Yeah, I was feeling myself. Your girl is cute, man. I applied that. I did that eyeliner. Ooh, yes. Setting spray. And those are my lashes, sis. Ooh, and now I'm applying a teensy bit of highlighter. Mm-hmm. There too. I always get my brow bone though. Yes, to open my eyes. Lining them with just a regular brown pencil. Checking to see if I'm doing everything alright. Yes, girl. Here you go, girl. Using my favorite lipstick, one of them. Absolute Blush from Oriflame. Showing you one of the oldest palettes that I have had. My mom gave it to me. As a lip topper, yes. I don't know the brand one. She doesn't even know. And I'm looking all cute. Oh, a blood gloss. Okay. Wait for it. I'm going to drink Fanta Apple. My favorite. I don't know what I was telling you all though. Actually, I'm going to dance. Told ya. uh, let's dance it up. Dance parties. Make sure to subscribe, you girl. Please subscribe. There you go. Oh, okay. She cute. She dancing. Okay. Yeah. Get it, girl.